Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss one more important topic in the Salesforce, that is roll-up summary fields in Salesforce. So today our agenda is introduction to roll-up summary fields and with the use case along with example. So last session we discussed master detail relationship, right? These roll-up summary fields also related to master detail relation. So what is roll-up summary fields? Roll-up summary fields is a formula field used to calculate values from the related records. So this roll-up summary field exists only in the master detail relationship, not lookup relationship. So this roll-up summary field is a summary field on the master record based on the value from the detail record. So in master detail relationship, you have detail records, right? On certain field, you can summarize this detail record into master record. So what are the roll-up summary field available? So count, min, max and sum. So these are the roll-up summary fields available. So in simple way, so roll-up summary field is a formula field on the master record. It will calculate the values of the detail record. So this is simple, in simple words. So we will see how we have to create. So in last session, if you see my previous video, master detail relationship, so I created employee and account. So accounts is the master object and employees is a detail record. So if I go here, I have a master detail relationship. Account is a mandatory. So what I am going to do now, I am going to create a this roll-up summary field on the account object. So I will go to, so this is object manager. Go to home, object manager. So account object and the field and relationships. In field and relationship, you can create a new. Click on the new. So here you can able to see roll-up summary field. Click on that one. So I am going to give the name of the label. So some salary, sum of the salary. Okay, is it fine? So description, sum of salary of employees. So click on the next. Here you have to mention, so master object is account, summarized object you have to select on which object you want to put these employees, and these are the roll-up summary types available. So I am going to calculate the sum of the salaries of the employees and I am going to display on the account object. So I am going to select sum and which field you want to apply. So salary field. So select the salary, click on next, save it. So I created. Now in page layouts, this is a new field, right? You need to add to page layouts. So search here. So sum of the salary, it's already added to the layout, so no issues. So if I go to here in accounts, if I go here, I will copy this in one more time. If I go to account detail, see I can able to see sum of the salary. Sum of the salary is showing as 26,000. So if I go to employee records, here I have 3 employees, one employee having 22,000, 2,000, 2,000. So these are all associated with the one account. So if I sum up these 22,000, 2,000, 24,000, 26,000. So this total is reflecting it. So this is what the summary field will do. So in the master record, you are going to show sum of the detail records or count of the detail records or min value or max value. You can apply these 4 on the master detail relationship. Thank you guys.